Hi all, today's video is about the luck and skill of drivers. Enjoy watching it. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are, they're always welcome. On my way home when I had to brake hard with my plow on, almost hit what looked to be almost full-grown deer following their parents. Grandpa runs a red light, cuts in front of a white van, and cuts me off without a single blinker. Pay attention to the white van and its insane driving.
Oh!
I should have kept a safe following distance and maybe paid a little bit more attention. I was grabbing the water bottle that time.
Oh!
Pay attention to the green Jeep and the black sedan in front of it.
Oh, yes you did. Thank you. What? No. You douche. Whoa! Stupid old
The next few stories don't need to be commented on.
Oh, son of a... Whoa! That was a close call.
Yes, it was.
Ow. I got a leg cramp now.
Who the fuck is beeping? Holy Holy fuck.
Holy.
Okay. Yeah.
Really, sweetheart?
You know, that's the big point right there. Oh, really won't? No. God damn it, there's a big sign that says don't do that. Jeez. Little hole you put your fist through. Got that on dash cam. Fuck yeah.
Really?
Take note of the sedan with the white trailer.
Whoa!
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Tu viens d'avoir un accident?
Ouais, il a failli rentrer dans moi. It's cool.
Okay?
Yeah?
Yeah, did it hit your car?
No.
No? Okay.
You want to? I have it on camera. Do you want it? No.
Doesn't matter. I'll just pick it up.
Right.
Driver turned out in front of me and he had almost gained a door ornament. If the truck had a little worse brakes, there could have been a tragedy. If not for the motorcyclist's reaction, he could have gone straight down the cliff. Very lucky. Somewhere in New Mexico, a random person walking on the highway shoulder ran in front of a semi-truck in the highway with bad intentions and almost got hit. He had a very close call on I-55 in Memphis, Tennessee, a couple of miles east of the Arkansas line. You can't tell in the clip, but he was texting while driving and came way too close to having a very bad day. I had a feeling this gal was going to pull some shit when I saw her fly up the outside lane, but didn't think that she was going to be this brazen. She immediately took off and weaved through traffic until I lost sight of her.